Welcome back to the Fuji Guy's channel. My name is Francis. So today we're going to take a look at what comes in a box of the brand new Instax Mini11 camera. So if you're interested, keep on watching. All right, so let's open up the box. So first we do have a little strap. I'm just going to take it out, the little package, and put it to the side. We have the camera here. So let's again put it to the side. We have some AA batteries for the camera. We have some little buttons. And then finally, we do have a little bit of documentation, a little guide here on how to use the camera, warranty, and other little papers. So that's what comes into the box. All right, so let's get it started. So we're gonna need some film. So we're just gonna add that. We're gonna take away the little paper. So first, let's put on the wrist strap. So the only thing you have to do is simply loop it in and then just have it come out the other way, and then just take this end and then loop it in, just have it slide through just like that. So we have the camera with the strap now. Next, we should put some batteries. So let's open up the door and then let's get our batteries. So very important to use alkaline batteries to make sure that the camera will work properly. So let's take a look at the signs. So we have plus on this side, and then can't really see, minus on this side. So we can then just close the door, slide it in. So now that the batteries are in, I'm just gonna push on this button right here, make sure that they're put in properly. And then I can see a little light here, so I know it's working fine. So next, why not customize it a little bit? So we have some little buttons here for the shutter button right here. So do I want the white or the blue one? Let's see what the white one looks like. I want to see the blue one. I think the blue one will be a winner. No, I'd go with the white one. All right, so it's on there. So if you want to fix it somewhat permanently, you can use these little stickers here that are double-sided tape that will allow you to make it stay in place. All right, so our camera is ready to be loaded with film. So the way you will load film onto this camera, simply open up the back door, get some film. So when handling the film, it is very important that you do not push on it, because otherwise you could, just put pressure on it and it could damage the film. So carefully open it up. And then we will align the yellow tab with the yellow tab inside the camera. So just like that. Close the door. So the film is loaded. So we'll power on the camera by pushing this button here. And then we're gonna take the first exposure just so that it could let the dark slide out that was protecting the film. So the first shot you're gonna take is just gonna be a black kind of card that will come out the camera. So Let's just do it. There we have the protective card. And then we can take some pictures. But if you see there, you have an indicator that says selfie mode. So by pulling onto the lens, we see that the selfie mode is on. So that will allow you to basically take some selfies. So take pictures at a closer distance. So let's just take a selfie. There we go. And then we have the picture that comes out. It's going to process, and then we're done. We can just close the lens just like that. On the last note, I just want to address a couple things. So you have this indicator here that will light up. That means that the flash is ready to take a picture. Here is going to be your exposure meter, so make sure you don't put your hands over that section here, because that will mess up with the exposure. So that wraps it up for the unboxing and getting started of the FUJIFILM instax Mini11. Here's my selfie. And if you'd like to know more about this and other FUJIFILM product, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And until the next time, c'était Francis pour les Fuji Guys.